Hello viewers, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about list view in Android and how to fill the list view with the data using adapters and what type of the adapter we are going to use here and how to handle the click events on a list view. A list view is a view group that displays its children in a scrollable list of items. These list items are automatically inserted into the list using an adapter. So it is automatically filling by the adapter. Which adapter we are using now? Array adapter I'm using, which is most preferred adapter in the Android. So when our data source is an array, then we'll go for array adapter. So here this array adapter is going to create a view for each array item by calling the toString method on each item by placing the contents in the text view. Means let us suppose you have names array. So for every name it is going to call a toString method and that value will be assigned to the text view. So the constructor of an array adapter looks like this. Array adapter of a string type. The object name is adapter. New array adapter of type string. As we already know that there are three parameters in an array adapter constructor. One is this. Second one is the resource ID, which is predefined. That's why Android dot is prefix. And the string array, what you want to display, the data items. Next, finally, after setting up this, you are going to set the adapter, whatever the adapter you have created, you should set this to the adapter view. As we know, we have three adapter views. Now we are discussing about the list view. So for that list view, we are going to set the data using set adapter method like this on a list view object, list view dot set adapter, and pass your adapter object, whatever you have created. And how to create this? So first, initially in your layout, you have to add a list view element inside the XML and load that into activity using find view by ID method, then set the data with an array adapter. After setting up the data using array adapter, so with the help of set adapter method, then you are going to perform some click events on item of that particular list. So clicking on an item. So earlier for the buttons, we are clicking or pressing. Now this time you are clicking or pressing on an item. So we'll use on item click listener. So where it is going to implement one method called on item. So what do you want to do when a particular item has been clicked? In that case, it will take the position you clicked. And finally, after setting up or implementing the on item click listener, you can set it up to the list view. Now let's create a simple project. Go to file, new project, select empty activity, click on next, change your application name to ListView demo. Click on finish button. It will take few seconds to build the project. Scanning, the project has built successfully. Open your layout file, go for split, design and split. So first you change your parent to linear layout. Even you can change for relative also. And orientation I'm taking vertical. Now I want to add a list view to the layout. So add open angular bracket, add a list view here. Width is match parent, height is wrap content. I'm creating an ID for this @ ID versions list. So close your list view tag. So the moment you have added in a list view element, it is showing the structure here. If you see, all the list items are given. So for this, how to set the data? Come to main activity, As usual, you have to load the list view into your activity. So list view, create an object of that using find view by id method. Load all of them. R dot id dot. So versions list is my list view, and with semicolon. For this list view, you have to set an adapter. How we can set the data to the adapter views? Using adapter method. Set adapter method. But before going to set the data to this, I do not have any adapter, right? Let's create an array adapter. So array adapter of T means type. That is, I'm taking it as a string type. So the name is array adapter is equals to new array adapter of type T. It's going to take three parameters. One is the context or activity instance. So you can see now second parameter is layout resource, which is predefined in the Android. Android dot r dot. That's why prefix is Android. Android dot r dot layout dot. So simple list item one. It's already given. Okay. Next, what is the actual data you want to show? I do not have any details here so far. Now I'm just going to say version names. Version names. And with semicolon. But I do not have any versions name. So create an array here. So string array of the name already I have taken version names is equals to the body and end with semicolon. Now insert the data to this particular string array. So string means in double quotation. Here I'm going to take my Android version names in alphabetical order in the reverse. So I'm just going to say Pi, Oreo, N stands for Nougat. Next one is M, that is Marshmallow, Lollipop. It should be in quotations because it's a string type. Cat, next jelly beans, ice cream sandwich. They're all bakery confectionery items. Honeycomb. Next is gingerbread, where you'll find mostly in Domino's. Next, Froyo. Next, eclairs. Donut. Cupcake. So now I'm done with this. I have created my array. So this error has been resolved. I got my adapter. Now I need to set the adapter to the adapter view. What is my adapter view? List view. How to set it? Set adapter. List view dot set adapter. The adapter what you want to set up. Set. So now I'm setting list view with an adapter using set adapter method, and the data is in the adapter object. I'm passing this. Now run your project. Gradle build is running. Launching activity. So now all the data has been in the list format. Now you can see here, you can scroll like this. Now the data is showing, but the moment whenever I clicked on any particular list item, so that has to be registered and to call upon. So let us say whatever the list item you have clicked, that is going to be displayed in the text view. I'm going to create like that. So just to have a visibility, I'm using tools :text. It is only for debugging purpose. App name, it looks like this, and the top you can see here, but the size of the text is not perfect, and even the color. Now I'm just going to take the color as teal 700. The style, text style, I'm taking italic, or you can go for bold italic as well. You can change your text size to 24 sp. So all done. Now this is how it looks like for you when the moment you click on any particular list item. So just close your text view, and to identify and set the values to this, create an ID for this. You can say my version, my underscore version. Now just come here, load it into your activity, that is text view you are loading. Text view, my version I'm taking, is equals to find view by ID dot id dot my version. Okay, so I'm just this is only a declaration. Now after the set content view, you have to load the views. That is a good practice always. My version is equals to find view by ID r dot id dot. And now when the user click on this list view, it should identify that particular listener. So now I'm just going to do that. For the list view, I would like to set something. What you want to set? Listener. What listener it is? On item click. Start with uppercase ON. You can see here on click listener we already implemented multiple times with the buttons. This time I'm clicking on an item. So set on item click listener. You can see here. And pass the listener here simply this. Immediately it will throw us an error. Go to red bulb. So one is it is asking cast the parameter with on item click listener or make main activity to implement this on item click listener. So just select it, automatically it will give you all the respective things. So it implemented with adapter view dot on item click listener, and the respective on item click method is also implemented inside the methods code. Now what you have to do when the user click on any item, that item value is going to be assigned to the text view. So now my version for the text view, what is my text view? My version dot set text. You are going to set something, but from where we are getting it? From the array. What is my array name? Version names. So version names of the position whatever you clicked. So in this particular version names, whatever the position you click, where is the position? Here it is coming from, and that is going to be set to the my version text view with the help of set text method. Run your project. AVD is starting. So done. So our project has successfully launching. When you click on pie, string pie, click on lollipop, lollipop. So scroll up, cupcake, it has been shifted to cupcake. Ice cream sandwich. So means you can listen to any item click inside your list view. So this is how we work. You can do back and forth like this, and top to bottom, bottom to top. So this is how we work with list views in Android. Thanks for watching guys. Let's catch up in the next session.